of the asana. Viparita Karani. In Sanskrit, Viparita means inverted, Karni means doing. In English, it's called inverted pose. Steps and adjustments of Viparita Karani. Lie flat on the back with the legs and feet together. Place the arms beside the body with the palms facing down. With inhalation, raise both the legs vertically, keeping them straight and together. While forming the palms, support your low back and raise your legs into vertical position. Let the top of the hips rest on the base of the palm. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. While exhaling, lower the legs over the head. Place the palms on the ground. Slowly lower your spine. Once buttocks reaches the floor, lower the legs. Slowly, keeping them together and relax in Shavasana. Variations of Viparita Karani. Number 1. Viparita Karani can be done using the wall support. Number 2. Spread the legs in wide V when they are against the wall. Benefits of Viparita Karani. It balances the circulatory, respiratory, digestive, reproductive, nervous and endocrine system, relieves mental and emotional stress, improves immune system, and lastly massages abdominal organs. Contraindications of Viparita Karani. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with enlarged liver and spleen, weak blood vessels in the eyes, high blood pressure, slip disc, and menstruation and final stages of pregnancy.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.